The Delhi High Court has held that the imposition of GST on the import of oxygen concentrators by individuals for personal use is unconstitutional. The High Court had reserved order in the 85-year-old plea challenging the levy of GST on the import of oxygen generators as gift for personal use to India. The petitioner challenged a notification dated 1st May 2021 issued by the Ministry of Finance stating that it would force payment of GST of 12% on the oxygen concentrator, which was accordingly caused by the High Court on Friday. And a division bench reserved order in the plea after hearing amicus curiae, senior advocate Arvind Dattar and senior advocate Sudhir Nanda Nandra Jog, along with advocate Siddharth Bhamba, Shyam D. Nandan, and Mr. Chirag Ahluwalia, appearing on behalf of the petitioner. We have held that imposition of GST on the oxygen concentrator imported by uh, individuals and are received by them as gifts for personal use is unconstitutional. Given this declaration, notification number 30 2021 dated 1 May 2021 is quashed. The bench noted that the third direction is to avoid misuse of oxygen concentrator by petitioner and by persons similarly circumstanced. She and he will have to furnish an undertaking to officer designated by the state, so same as not commercially used. For petitioner, the bench has directed the registry to release money deposited with it, along with any interest if accrued at the earliest. It was the case of the petitioner that the imposition of any sort of levy by the state on the import of oxygen generators or concentrators for personal use abridges the said invaluable right, and such imposition deserve to struck down as being violative of Article 21. During the previous course of hearing, the court had observed that the center should consider granting this IGST exemption for oxygen concentrators imported for individual use by way of gift having regard to the COVID-19 crisis. The center on May 3 granted IGST exemption for oxygen concentrators imported by the state government or via any entity, relief agency, or statutory body authorized by the state government. This exemption is available till June 30. So, the High Court had suggested that this exemption should be extended to individuals as well. We are of the view that since the respondent has gone this far, it could move further and extend the exemption to even individuals to enable them to obtain imported oxygen concentrator by way of gift, albeit without having to pay IGST, the court had said in the order passed on May 5. So the case is Gurucharan Singh versus Ministry of Finance, and the title says IGST imposition on import of oxygen concentrators as gift for personal use is unconstitutional. Delhi High Court remarked in this case. Thank you.